I've never made that work without you. I really appreciate it. Where's my cash? I'll put it right here. Was Cash okay?
Justine, I'm actually gonna
There you go.
do a little surprise for you. I'm not gonna charge you
No,
nothing.
no,
No,
yeah,
I'm not
take
gonna. So, just gonna grab some gloves. So I've already been in the house. I will be taking off my boots, but it is a nice clean house. So let's go meet Justine and take care of this toilet. Hello. Okay. Justine, say hello to YouTube.
Hi.
Okay.
Good idea doing that though.
Yeah. Okay.
How was your drive back from Toronto?
You know, it wasn't too bad. The drive wasn't too bad. Actually, you know what? I ended up actually doing 2 jobs. One in Mississauga before going to Oakville. I forgot about that one. That was a quick one though.
No, so you did Toronto, Mississauga, Oakville?
So when I talked to you, I was just finishing Toronto.
Oh, I thought you were just riding.
No. I was just hopping on the Don Valley.
So where did you go to school to become a plumber?
So, not a plumber. I'm a drain technician.
Oh, okay.
So, I can do basically everything a plumber can do. I'm just not allowed to solder pipe. Right?
Uh-huh.
So, I'm not allowed to, technically, I can change faucets, I can change everything like that, but I'm not allowed to cut water lines and put them back together, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I understand.
So, anything like this, I can do, no problem. Like I say, I've been doing this for 17 years.
Where did you become this?
So, my father-in-law is a plumber, or was a plumber. He's retired now, and he worked for a company. That's the van I drive outside. So I work for them, and then I do private stuff on the side.
Oh, excellent.
So yeah, so I've been with the company for going on 17 years, or just over 17 years, and it's fun.
Oh, look at that big thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is so like see same kind of auger or plunger that you have, but so this is the auger.
So I'm gonna tell my son. So when you leave,
yeah. So
it creates calcium.
it can. So it can basically just drip down, right? So always give it a flush, right? That's.
Like we're not in a septic. There's no reason why you have to.
Well, that's it, right? Don't worry about wasting water. Right. My kids did the same thing.
How old are your kids?
So my son is 16, just like your son.
Yeah.
And then I have almost a 10-year-old daughter.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's my little princess.
Does she act like a princess too?
Oh yeah. Oh, she's spoiled rotten, but she's a dancer, right?
Uh-huh.
So she's living the dance life.
Does she do those competitions in the recital?
Yep.
So what is that thing? That's a snake.
This is a snake or a toilet auger, right?
Oh, okay.
So this one actually goes 6 feet. So the first 3 feet will push me just below the toilet, and then the other 3 feet will push me into the stack.
Okay.
So in the wall here is a stack, your main drain, right?
Oh.
So all your bathroom sink and your bathtub will all tie into that as well.
Got it. Okay.
Right?
Whoa, it flushed.
Yeah.
What do you think caused that?
So it could be anything. Like there is a little bit of toilet paper there.
Yeah, well he uses a lot of toilet paper.
Probably just too much toilet paper.
You got it to flush that. You have an auger. Oh, it's still stuck in there?
No, I'm just trying to get it right to the stack.
Oh, okay.
So just so that I make sure.
That I don't scream tomorrow and go, it's plugging in. Yeah, to get all that toilet paper out. So what time do you leave in the morning to drive all those places?
Not too early. Usually I'm on the road by anywhere from 8 to 10.
Okay, that's not too bad then.
No. So right now, I'm 6 feet in. I'm into the stack.
When we tried plunging, we could not get it to work.
So what kind of work do you do?
I work for our local MVP, so in Oakville. So I live in Burlington, so my MVP is Oakville, North Burlington.
Oh, okay.
So that's who I work for.
And what side of the political party are they?
Conservative.
Conservative?
I used to work from home, but now I go to the office. But the office isn't far. It's like 7 minutes from Bronte and Dundas.
So what's your thoughts on the this new carbon tax?
I don't like it.
Nobody does,
My
but
parents
yeah.
are older and I have to do a lot of driving and visit them, and if gas prices are going to go up, it's going to kill me.
It's ridiculous.
My middle son's at Trent University and
Okay, Trent, is that Kingston?
Peterborough. It's
Peterborough,
towards
Peterborough.
Kingston, yeah. Oh, I can clean that later. Don't worry about that. I'm just grateful it's flushing.
Yeah, no problem.
My son that's in grade 11 wants to go into like business, law, or political science, so he's not going to university. My other son is in Peterborough, is studying the sciences, and so I wish they would have gone into trades. So.
Trades are fun. You're meeting new people every day, right? That's what I like about it. You're not stuck on the same thing. It's like
You're not sitting at a desk and staring at the same four walls. You get to go to people's houses, people's businesses.
yeah.
Meet different people.
And you know what? That's part of the job. Meeting people. I love meeting new people. I'm not a very talkative person unless I'm working, but yeah. So what do you think?
I think it's okay.
think
You're
it's
the
okay?
expert, though.
Looks good.
Okay. I'm hoping. Oh my God, it's running a while now, but I guess it's okay. It shouldn't take you long to get back to Hamilton now.
I gotta go. I actually need to go to
Another spot in Burlington?
Costco at Burlington.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we service some of the drains there for another company.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
you guys have a lot of...
Yeah, it's slowed down a bit, but it's steady still.
Oh, so is it because, did COVID affect you?
We stayed busy through COVID because we were essential, right? So
Yeah.
that's.
Did your son and daughter get along?
They didn't, because she always wanted to be around him, and he's like, that's my little sister. I don't want to deal with her,
Yeah,
right? But they get along now.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
they're doing good now. So, Justine,
Excellent.
I think you're
So you
good.
got the 6-year age gap just like me.
Yeah, well,
16, 22, 25.
the first one was my wife says a surprise. I say,
Oops.
yeah. And then the second one,
Don't drop that in the toilet.
no, she was planned. So it's
You need to have a buddy.
well, my son works with me on the in the summer and
No,
whatnot.
I said he needed to have a buddy.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's good now. No more. We're done.
You're done, eh?
I'm done. Hopefully she's done.
Hopefully she is too. I went and got some cash out of the bank machine. on the way home from work. I could never make that work without you. I really appreciate it. Where's my cash? I'll put it right here. Was Cash okay?
Justine, I'm actually gonna
There you go.
do a little surprise for you. I'm not gonna charge you
No,
nothing.
no,
No,
you have to
I'm not
say
gonna charge you
something. No,
nothing
you have to
today.
say something. You have
No,
to
no,
say something.
honestly, you're good tonight. I was on my way home.
Oh, well,
Alright.
that's very, very nice of you.
Very
Like, I
nice,
cannot.
thank you.
Okay,
No
so
problem.
what is your website and your Instagram? Because I'd like to put it up
So
here.
everything is Jay That Drain Guy. I'm gonna give you a business
Let
card.
me look it up. Jay That Drain Guy.
Yeah.
That was nice of you to do
Very
that.
nice
No
of you.
problem
Okay.
at all.
My mom's going, a stranger's coming to the house. How did you find a stranger? I go, Mom, it's called social media.
That's it, right?
Jay, 242, okay, call 24/7. Jay That Drain Guy. Oh, that's a cool. I like your logo.
Thank you.
That
So-
drain guy from houses to condos as well as commercial, but he's going to Costco now to do some work at Costco. Okay, Dre that drain. Okay, so is that it? What's your hand, like your webs?
So I do have a website, jthatdrainguy.ca.
Okay, and
right
then
at
do you have
the
an
bottom.
Instagram or
Yeah, I
Facebook?
got Instagram, Facebook, X.
So I do
I got
Jay
everything.
that drain guy to find your Instagram.
Yeah, you can
and
find
Facebook.
everything
Okay,
there.
great.
All right.
Thank you so
No
much.
problem. You guys have a great night.
Yeah, bye, Jason.
See
Thank
you guys later.
Good luck going all those dance recitals.
I know, it's so much money.
And you said your son works with you in the summer?
Yep.
Oh, that's excellent.
Yeah,
So you guys
so-
have a good bond that way.
Yeah. You know what, we're a lot closer now than before, now that he works with me and he knows what kind of I deal with on a daily basis, and
He's probably matured a lot too and has deeper respect for you.
I think so.
Thank
Justine,
you so
have
much,
yourself a great night, okay?
Bye, thank
All right,
you.
bye now. All right, guys. So I think they were pretty happy with that, and I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.